We often make mutton and chicken pulao. So today we are going to prepare something different, a very spicy and flavorful fish pulao. So let's start making it. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, so do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. First we will prepare the green masala paste. For the green masala paste, I have taken 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 20 to 25 whole black peppers, 4 cardamom, 1 star anise, 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 10 medium spicy green chilies, 20 grams mint leaves, 20 grams coriander leaves, 30 to 40 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 small pieces of ginger. We will grind all these ingredients into a fine paste using a mixture grinder with a little water. So here I have also ground them into a smooth paste, and now we will set it aside. Next we will prepare the marinade for the fish. In a large bowl or a plate, take half of the green masala paste we just made. We will save the other half to use later. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of fish masala powder, 3 tablespoons of chicken dana masala powder, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Along with that we will add juice of 1 large lemon. And to combine everything we will add water as needed. I have added 3 to 4 tablespoons of water first and will mix everything well. If needed, we will add more water later. You can use any brand of fish masala powder and chicken dana masala powder according to your preference. Here while mixing everything well, we will adjust the consistency by adding another 3 to 4 tablespoons of water if needed. So here we have prepared the marinade, and here I have a half a kilogram of surmai fish. We will coat each pieces of fish thoroughly with the prepared masala. The quantity of masala is based on half a kilogram of fish, so adjust it according to your needs. We will carefully coat each pieces of fish with the masala. Apply it gently to avoid breaking the fish. By preparing the masala separately and applying it later, it's easier to coat the fish without breaking it. This method prevents the fish from falling apart during the marination process. I have now applied the masala to all the fish pieces, and we will leave them to marinate for at least half an hour. We will also set aside the remaining masala for later use in the fish gravy. After half an hour we will fry the fish. I will shallow fry the fish, but you can deep fry them if you prefer. To fry the fish, I will use a non-stick pan to prevent the fish from sticking and breaking. We will heat about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in the pan. And once hot, we will fry the fish pieces one by one. We need to fry the fish on medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes on one side until it's well cooked, and then flip it carefully to fry the another side. Fresh fish fries more easily without breaking, whereas frozen fish is more likely to break, so handle frozen fish carefully while flipping. After frying the fish for 3 to 4 minutes on both sides, the fish is now cooked, so we will set it aside. We will now cook the remaining marinade and will prepare gravy. In a large pan, heat 40 ml of oil. Once hot, add tomato puree. I have prepared 3 tomatoes puree. Use half of the tomato puree and save the other half for making the rice later. We will saute the tomato puree on medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes to remove the rawness. Once done, add the remaining marinade to the pan. Cook the masala for about 1 minute on medium-high heat, stirring continuously until the masala is well cooked and releases oil. Reduce the heat and let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until the raw smell disappears. Once the masala is cooked, gently add the fried fish pieces to the pan. Add half a cup of water and mix everything gently to avoid breaking the fish. Let it simmer for 1 minute on low heat, then turn off the heat and set it aside. Now we will cook the rice. So to cook the rice in a large pot, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, 3 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 3 medium sliced onions. Fry the onions on medium-high heat until light brown. Tomato puree, then add green masala paste we saved earlier and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. When the green masala paste is well fried and there is no rawness in it, so now we will add 500 grams of soaked rice. Along with the rice, add 2 glasses of water. Now add salt to taste. Add chopped coriander and mint leaves. Stir well and cook the rice on medium-high heat until 80% done, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Once the rice is 80% cooked, turn off the heat. Now add 4 sliced red chilies and mix the rice gently. And now add green food color. Food color is here optional. If you don't want to add it, you can skip it. Now layer the fried fish and masala on the top of the rice. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves, mint leaves, lemon slices, and sliced green chilies. Pour 1½ cup of water along the sides of the pan to steam the rice and ensure it cooks fully without sticking to the bottom. Finally, sprinkle fried onion on top. I had some pre-prepared birasta. If you don't have any, you can fry sliced onion until crispy and brown and add them on the top. Cover the pot and let the rice steam for 2 to 3 minutes until fully cooked. So here your spicy, flavorful and delicious fried fish pulao is now ready. If you are looking for something new beyond mutton and chicken pulao, give this fish pulao a try and let me know in the comment how you like it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.